Hey beauties, today I'm going to be doing a hair care tutorial. It's going to be featuring Dream Girls products. This hair brand is black owned and I've noticed that my hair grew very long from these products. It has made my hair flourish. My hair has been growing, it has been healthy. I've been cutting my ends. So if you want to see more, continue to watch. So here's the first product. We have the Renewing Conditioner and the Renewing Shampoo. We also have the Revival Deep Treatment, the True Essence Oil Treatment, and the TLC Comb Treatment, which I'm going to be using first. They all come with peppermint oil and other ingredients to grow your hair. Step 1 is to section your hair in 4 sections. So I'm just basically starting with hair that just got took out of braids. So my hair is very dry because I have my hair braided for 3 months. That's how long I've had the braids in. That's how long I keep my protective styling in. So please ignore how dirty my hair is. Very dirty. I'm going to be sectioning my hair in 4 sections. Yeah, I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Try not to be so rough with your hair like how I am, because I know that I'm kind of rushing a little bit. Step 2, you want to use a spray bottle with TLC in the bottle. So you're going to be using this TLC, the last product that I showed you guys, and you're going to be spritzing it all over your hair. So you want to get any spray bottle that you have, mix it with water. Mix the product, TLC product, with water and spray it in your hair. It takes a little while for my hair to get all the way wet because I have very thick hair. So you want to just spray it. Make sure you get in your scalp and the roots and things like that, because that's where the that's where the new growth starts. You also want to make sure you get the ends. So you want to start from the ends of your hair and work your way to the top. And that's how you're going to start detangling your hair, to get all the naps and stuff out of it. I also use this brush to I guess you could say, scrub the scalp a little bit, so that the peppermint oil, can get into my scalp. So this product works very well. And this is what I've been using for the entire year of 2021. So I'm working with both sections now. I'm going to detangle that second section and get all the snags and stuff out. You see, I'm trying to smooth it out, but it's I'm trying to work the product in my scalp. So you see how nice, it makes your hair so the texture is so nice, super curly and super nice. It defines the curls. I think it's great that they have a product that you can actually use to detangle before you start to use all of the other products. You don't have to brush as much as me, but I want to make sure it's all out. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I basically did all of the sections and now I'm just brushing it all through. Kind of got in my eye a little bit, the peppermint. So now I'm just working the product in my hair, trying to make sure that it's all moisturized from the product before I start the shampoo. See those curls, you guys? Beautiful. Definitely defines the curls a little bit more. And you see that heat damage right there? Like, it looks horrible. Does anyone else love peppermint oil? I love peppermint oil. It's the best. So the third step is to apply shampoo to the hair while the product is still in your hair. And when you do that, you're gonna wash it out after you do the first one, and then you're gonna wash again. Okay. So I kind of had to blur it out a little bit because YouTube. But I put the shampoo in with the TLC and I washed it out, and then I shampooed my hair again. So you want to make sure your hair is super clean, so that all of the dirt, and especially because I had my protective styling in for 3 months. So you just want to make sure all of the product is gone, okay? Gotta get all of that crazy dirt out of your scalp. The gunk, whatever it may be, dandruff, all of it needs to go. So the fourth step is putting the reviving treatment and oil in your hair. And then you're going to want to sit under the dryer or let it air dry for 30 minutes. So as you can see, my hair is very moisturized from the shampoo and the TLC. I do need a trim, which I'm going to do after this video. These products work very well. You don't want to really do like me. You can part your hair in sections, but I'm going to just do 2 sections, and I'm going to braid my hair up and, put a bag over it so that it could, get more moisture from the product. I've been doing this for at least 8 months now. It's been a hell of a year, but I've been doing my hair the whole entire pandemic for in last year, of course. The last step is to put the conditioner in your hair and leave it in for 15 minutes, and then you want to wash it out. And after you're done doing that, you can style your hair however you want. So you can use a different conditioner. You can, not conditioner, but leave-in conditioner. You can blow dry your hair. You can go get a trim. After I was done doing these, using these products, I actually blow dried my hair and trimmed it so that, because I knew I had some damaged ends that needed to be cut from those 3 months. So I trimmed my ends and, back to another protective style. But these products are love, you guys. You have to try them. I didn't have any issue with these products. And it just penetrates your scalp. When you're sitting with these products in your scalp, they definitely do something to your hair. Makes your hair so soft and manageable. So you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys. Peace.